6, 7,
Are
8.
you too pretty? Are you just shy? Perfectly happy without a guy? I've been trying to put a finger on why yours ain't got a ring on it all night. It just don't make any sense how you're better than a 10